Yeah, good afternoon. Welcome to my channel once again. This is Mr. Eric of Original Properties. Yes, this afternoon I'm here in a beautiful house here in Cape Coast for rent. This is 3 bedroom on a hill in a greeny environment. You can see beautiful trees well planted here. You can see a very nice, beautiful houses around pawpaw trees well covered this beautiful house here. So before I'll take you in, just take a look at how this 3 bedroom house look like. Yes. Yes, so I should have taken the living room door, but I'm taking the kitchen. Yes, so this is the kitchen here. Very nice, cute kitchen with your simple kitchen cabinet design here. Yes, very simple, nice design kitchen cabinet. So this is your kitchen space here. Yes. So on my left, this is your store room for the kitchen. Yes. So you have a very simple, cute storeroom here for the kitchen. The workers are working here doing painting. That's why you see these stuffs here. So all of them will be cleaned out after the painting and the renovation. So stay tuned. From here, like I said, I should have used the living room door. So these are the kitchen gates. You close the kitchen gate from the living area. So this is the living area. A very big living area, but all standard with this very beautiful view here. So just take the long view from the living area. Yes. So when you're living room, you have this view for outside. Yes. So yes, the living room is very big enough to store any furniture you want to put here. So without wasting my time, let me take you to the dining area. This is the dining area here. Yes, this is the dining area. Also have this beautiful view from your dining area. So you can see in your dining area, you have this view to this beautiful plant here, this very beautiful greeny tree, then pawpaw going all around here to get relaxation and feel comfortable to eat. So they have created this place to the kitchen if they want to serve through that. So this is the dining area. Yes. So let me take you to the bedroom. So in the living room here, on my left, the door has already been opened. This door is supposed to be locked. So it's like this. It takes you to the master bedroom. So when you open it, you want this light. You close it. You have your walk-in closet here with this beautiful light design here. This is your walk-in closet. Yes, so walk-in closet. Then you walk straight to the bedroom, which have a very natural light here. And like I said, once again, it has this view from this beautiful bedroom here. You have this view from your room if you are relaxing. Yes, like I said, it's on a hill. So you enjoy this beautiful air blowing. Without wasting my time, taking you to this bedroom's washroom. On my left here, I have the washroom here. That's the bath. It's here, well set. Just take a look. And see how the washroom has been neatly set up. Yes. So there's a bath here for you to enjoy your stay. This is your hand wash basin, well set up here. Alright, so stay tuned. This is the first bedroom, that's the master bedroom here. Taking you to the another two bedroom here. So before I take you to the two bedroom, you have a visitor washroom here. In case you don't want him to use any washroom in your room. So this is a visitor washroom here, well set up here to serve any visitor or a guest that come to visit you. And if he or she want to use a washroom, this one has been designed to suit him or her. So I'll walk straight. This door can be locked here so that take away from the living room. The living room is very big, like I said, to occupy any of your furniture. So you enter on your left, you have this washroom here. All neat. Washroom here, neatly set up. Your hangers and 2-in-1, 3-in-1 shower, sorry. That's serve this bedroom on my left. A very spacious bedroom here. Very big enough to occupy any bed. Yes, and once again, have this beautiful view from your room. Yes, so if you are interested of renting 3-bedroom here, and the good news here is we are installing 2 air conditions in this beautiful apartment. Yes, so that will see my time. Follow me, let's see the last bedroom here. Like I said, this washroom here commonly serve these 2 bedrooms here. So look at this 3rd bedroom here. Also very big, enough to occupy any bed. Yes. And the good news is all the rooms have fans already. So there's no need for you to buy fan. You have fans here already. And also have this beautiful view. Come on. I know you love a view like this. You want to stay in an apartment or a house like this. So just take a cool down and enjoy how the tiles have been laid and the size of the room. I know I've shown you enough. So stay tuned. If you're interested, hit me up.